Looking for a PC case that's not just a housing but a canvas for your creativity? Look no further than the Cooler Master Qube 500 Macaron edition. This mid-tower marvel offers full tower features in a compact size, delivering extreme customization options to suit your needs and preferences. Let's start with the design. The Qube 500 comes with swappable panels in 3 delightful colors: mint, cream, and pink. Whether you're going for a sleek, professional look or a vibrant, playful vibe, this case has got you covered. Plus, with the included GM Mini, 2 handles, in mint and gray, and 2 hooks, you can carry and customize your rig with ease. But it's not just about looks. This case is fully modular, allowing for easy adjustments of panels, handles, and side radiator brackets. You can choose between standing or laying orientation, thanks to its versatile feet, and the tempered glass panel beautifully showcases your build. In terms of performance, the Qube 500 doesn't disappoint. It supports up to 8 fans for air cooling or multiple radiator options for AIO liquid cooling, ensuring high thermal efficiency even during intense gaming sessions. With accommodations for ATX, Micro ATX, and ITX motherboards, along with ample space for CPU coolers and graphics cards, this case can handle the most demanding hardware configurations. Connectivity-wise, it's equipped with modern features like a USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C port for lightning-fast data transfer and multiple USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports for all your peripherals. Plus, with cleaner cable management and ample space behind the motherboard tray, building and maintaining your system is a breeze. Overall, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Macaron Edition is more than just a PC case. It's a platform for limitless creativity and performance. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a professional user, this case has everything you need to build the PC of your dreams. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.